Alright, to answer one of your questions about the double joint issue, no clue. No clue how to fix that. So, seems like a good thing to ask a doctor. I don't know. Sorry you have to even deal with that. But, so a couple things once you get in the habit of. If you're going to use Guitar Pro to practice, that's okay, but you also need to get in the habit of using or not following the MIDI guitar, because I need to be able to just hear you, not try and figure out, well, what's you and what's the MIDI, okay? So when you make your videos to send over, no Guitar Pro track, alright? I need to just hear you. Metronome, yes. Guitar or MIDI guitar, no. We're going to do something to see if it helps your fingers this week. When we get back into moving chords, there's some stuff we're going to need to do, such as teaching you how to slide into chords, because cutting the chords off before changing chords was happening every time. So we need to fix that. And got to practice with distortion. If the idea is to play metal guitar, you need to practice with distortion. That being said, this week it's supposed to be done without distortion, because we need to hear all the notes ringing out nice and clear, make sure everything sounds correct. So it's a lengthy one. Playing this at 60 beats per minute is going to take a minute long. So thinking, yeah, typically you want to go up in 5 beat per minute increments. But this is a bit of a special case, so I feel going up in 10s for this would be okay. Still don't want you to spend more than like 20 minutes on anything here. So play, practice for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes get one more good take and call it a day. You can break this down into as many parts as you need to. In fact, practicing this without a metronome to begin would be a good idea. So this way you get comfortable with everything. So each line, you're going to play it twice before moving on. The only exception is the final chord. You just play that once and then you're done. So you can pick this any way you want, meaning you can do alternate picking, you can do all downstrokes. Doesn't matter for this. But it does say let ring across the whole thing. So we want to hear both notes ringing out the whole time. So, get my metronome going. Demonstrate this at a few different speeds so you can hear how it's supposed to go. Any second now. Alright. Here we go on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4. Done. Let's go to 120. No, actually, let's go to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't repeat that second line, did I? Let's do that again. 1. Wait a minute. Why does this do that? Sometimes the metronome just, the volume goes down for I have no idea what reason. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more at 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. So fingering for this, what I want you to do for the A5 chord, first and third finger. For the F over A, no 5, first and fourth. Then go back to the A5 chord, ring finger. For the D5 over A, just bar with your index finger. For the C, no 5, middle and first finger. F5 over C, middle and third finger. For the C5, you'll have the middle and pinky down, and then take the pinky off, back to the F5 over C, middle and ring. Oops, yeah, that's right. Okay. So even if you don't get to the metronome this week, that's fine. Just work on making sure everything sounds good. And as far as like video stuff you send, just one video is fine. That, because I don't know if that was all from the same day or not, but yeah, just one video of the final practice session is all you need to do. And I think that about covers it all. So any other questions, let me know, and I will see you next week in your new video.